Hello and welcome back to yet another part of the Inventor tutorial. If you haven't seen the previous videos that I made, where we made a piston head, a piston top half, a piston bottom half, and a crankshaft, I recommend you go back and watch those. We're going to need them. But today we're gonna make a shorter video than usual, because now we're just gonna make a small screw. So, the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to create a new part. We're then going to start a 2D sketch, and you can start this on any plane you want. Then we're going to make a circle, and we're going to make that circle 5 millimeters. Then we finish the sketch, extrude it, and we extrude it to 2 millimeters. Then we're gonna start another sketch, and we're gonna start this on the top of the first one. We're gonna make a circle, and we're gonna make that circle 3 millimeters. Then we just finish that sketch, extrude it, and put it at 28 millimeters. Then we're going to start another sketch, and we're going to start it on the head of the screw, the thicker part. First, we're going to project geometry. Then we're going to draw a line. We're going to draw it from the center, and we're going to draw it 1 millimeter to each side. So first, we're going to draw one line over there, and then draw it straight up, and one straight down. Doesn't matter how long they are. And then we're going to make one from the center, and we're going to make it 1 millimeter in the other direction. Then draw it straight up and straight down. Doesn't matter how far you draw them. You then connect the two lines you made, just like I demonstrated there. Then we can just finish the sketch. Choose extrude. You click on both of these sort of squares that we made, and choose the cut mode. And you'll see that we cut through a bit more than we wanted, so we'll just put that at 1 millimeter and press OK. We are then finished with the general shape of the screw. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the color, and in my case it's blue wall paint glossy. You're going to be using the same thing you did for all other parts, and then we'll just use thread and click on the long part of the screw, and we're completely finished. Not hard, wasn't it? Then we'll just save that. So we'll just click save, and we're gonna put in piston screw. And we're finished. So this video was shorter than usual, but the next time we're actually gonna maybe move on to something a bit significantly more important: assembling the entire piston. So yeah, look forward to that.